They say only the toughest plants survive the summer heat. But what if I told you most gardeners are planting the wrong ones? Today, I'm revealing 37 secret container ideas that can handle even the deadliest heat waves, while most gardens wither away. Stick around, your plant's survival might just depend on it. Terracotta pots filled with succulents sitting atop gravel stay tough, colorful, and low maintenance. Impatiens make a vibrant statement when planted in large containers, preferring some afternoon shade. Sago palms lend a prehistoric touch to your patio and love sunny or partly shady containers. Hens and chicks deliver carefree greenery that thrives in gritty, well-draining soil. Elephant ear, sun patience, citronella, Persian shield, and angel vine create a beachy tropical vibe in planters. Basil, lemongrass, and rosemary bring flavor and fragrance to your garden while standing up to the heat. Yucca, kalanchoe, and sedum offer a stunning desert-inspired mix that asks for little water but delivers big style. Coleus and yellow lantana heat up stoops and patios with vivid foliage and flowers that pull in pollinators. Mixed succulents, tucked into strawberry pots and clamshell containers, make use of every nook and cranny. Agave dominates with dramatic foliage, perfect for containers that crave sun and a little water. Cacti are the ultimate survivors, needing sharp drainage and full sun to thrive in pots. Mexican shrimp plant, aquamarine palea, sword plant, and arrowhead vine give a rainforest feel even in wall-mounted containers. Fanflower, blue plumbago, flapjack plants, and Lucida echivarius blend blue and white tones for a cool, fresh summer display. String of pearls, million bells, ageratum, and ivy fill modern containers with colored texture and charm. Holly fern, Aran caladium, key lime pie heuchera, and vinca pack a lush green punch in window boxes. Marigolds stay sunny and happy even when the heat is at its worst, making them an easy favorite. Dragonwing begonias bloom boldly in humid summers, thriving in partial sun or shade. Calabricoa handle the heat and dry soil effortlessly, offering a rainbow of flower options. Hibiscus brings tropical fireworks to your patio with giant blooms that love both sun and humidity. Portulaca fills hanging baskets and pots with vibrant, heat-loving blooms on succulent stems. Tomatoes, peppers, and eggplants grow happily in large containers, turning patios into productive veggie patches. Kimberly Queen fern is the star of large containers, holding on to moisture longer and staying lush with its companions like caladiums and ivy. Lantana proves that tough plants can also be beautiful, showing off multicolored blooms that attract butterflies and survive blazing heat. Mint is a fragrant fighter, perfect for container gardens where it's easy to tame, thriving with consistent moisture and a bit of shade. Geraniums, calabricoas, and mercadonias combine for resilient, non-stop color. Water them regularly and enjoy blooms all summer. Boxwood topiaries stay elegant and strong even in summer, especially when paired with flowering annuals like vinca. Cast iron plant, coleus, and caladiums bring drama with their foliage, ideal for shady spots that need less watering. Chinese fan plants and bromeliads add tropical vibes to entryways, growing happily in sun or shade. Mandevilla vine frames windows with climbing blooms that shrug off even the hottest days. Red geraniums light up containers and reward you with vibrant blooms, especially with a little afternoon shade. Sun patience, boxtail fern, and neon pothos are a humidity-proof trio that brings bright color and energy. Waxleaf privet topiaries add structure, while creeping jenny spills out beautifully around the base. Mandevilla, dwarf papyrus, elephant ear, and sweet potato vine create a lush globe-trotting look perfect for heat lovers. Lantana, impatiens, coleus, and Joseph's coat build a rustic meadow-style container that thrives in full or part sun. Zinnias are essential for summer. These butterfly magnets love full sun and reward you with non-stop blooms. Kimberly Queen Fern and Florida Moonlight Caladiums combine beautifully in containers that stay fresh with a little fertilizer boost. Echeveria's String of Pearls and Sedum make hanging succulent baskets that barely need any water. Thanks for watching. If you found inspiration today, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple, powerful gardening ideas you can actually use. Your dream summer garden starts here.